Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Perfect.
How are you today?
I'm doing good. I'm doing good.
How was the CUCA webinar?
Actually, it went great. I was a little bit. It took me longer than I expected because when I get it into any specific topic, I usually speak a lot about it. So yes, I actually took like an hour and 45 minutes, but it went great. I received a good feedback from the students, and also Wally gave me a good feedback from the people of the university. So we started the right way, and really happy about it.
Great news. Great news. I hang around for about 30 to 40 minutes. Then, I had a lot of stuff to do, so I had to go.
Yep.
I was just like making sure everything was okay. Once I saw that you were doing well, I could leave.
Perfect. Perfect.
Good.
Well, last week I forgot to record the webinar. So I see that you have already setting to start the recording from the
Yes,
moment.
exactly. Yes, exactly.
Perfect. Thank you for that.
Yeah. So I'd say, Andres, just in case, we have around I don't know if 9 or 10 people registered for this week.
Mhm.
So in my opinion, even if just one person showed up, you should give the webinar, and since we are making sure it's being recorded, so that we can upload it on our pages later on.
Okay.
Since last week we didn't have it and someone requested it. So
Mhm.
let's just make sure that we record it this week regardless, so that we can upload it.
Perfect. No problem.
All right.
Yep.
I don't know if we should do that even if no one attended, but I don't think so, because the quality of the people who are coming should be good.
Okay. Okay.
So
Got
let's
it.
see what happens.
Sure.
All right.
Thank you.
Bye.
Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to our webinar, a weekly webinar about introduction into the financial markets. My name is Andres Urueña. I'm going to be giving you this class. I'm the head of education and research for Direct Trading Technologies UK. At the current time given, I'm located in the Panama City, Panama, Central America office location. So it will be my pleasure to give you guys this introduction into the financial markets. When I do this type of intro courses, I would like to stay as much as interactive as I can to be in contact with my audience at the moment that we are doing these intro courses. So if you guys have any type of questions that you would like to ask me during this briefly course, I would love for you guys if you can text those questions into the chat group so I can see whatever your inquiries are, and I will be able to answer all of your questions at the moment that we are giving this class. So before we actually start into it, I would like to ask you guys do you guys have any type of trading experience? If this is your first time seeing information about the financial markets, or if you have some trading experience either on demo account or live account. So if you guys could let me know that, it will be great. So we can officially start this webinar today. Don't be shy, guys. Any type of questions that you may have, you can text them into the chat group. Okay, so formally starting, as you guys can see, we are Direct Trading Technologies. We are a global online trading brokerage firm. We have global presence all over the world, and I'm going to show you guys the places that we have actually physical locations around the world. This is our main webpage, globaldtt.com. You guys can check all of this information from our company at any given time. So starting off with our locations, our offices, our presence in worldwide sections. As you can see, our biggest presence is located into the Middle East. I only invest in S&P through eToro, not trading. Okay, so you guys are doing, Mohammed, you are doing investing long-term with eToro. That's nice. This is a different type of investment. It's also profitable. All type of investments are profitable. So I really hope that you can take advantage of the information that you guys are going to see today. You don't necessarily have to do day trading because it might be a little bit stressful, or maybe you don't have all the time during the day, so you can actually be in the markets all the time. And with either company, you can do long-term investing depending on what type of account you guys have. So as you can see, our biggest presence is into the Middle East. We have physical offices in Lebanon, Riyadh, Jeddah, Dubai, Kuwait, Bahrain, Al Khobar, and also in Qatar. Our UK headquarters, we have the office in the London, United Kingdom. And for the Latin American region, we have also the offices in Panama City, Panama, which is the place that I am located at this moment. So as you can see, Direct Trading Technologies is a global trading online brokerage firm, and we have presence in different regions worldwide. Now, one of the most important things about trading is at the moment that you're going to create an account with an investment company, you have to check the regulations. The regulations is the most important aspect for any trader, any client, or any investor, because you have to check that the company that you're creating your account, putting the money so you can start making your investments, is a regulated company that is not going to scam you, and it's not a company that is going to take out your money and leave you without anything. Saying this, we have several regulations worldwide. The most important regulations for Direct Trading Technologies is that we are regulated by the FCA. The FCA is the Financial Conduct Authority from the United Kingdom, and into the financial markets, the FX markets and CFDs as well. This is the most important regulation that you can see. If you see that a company is regulated by the FCA of London, you can feel secure that you're trading with a professional company like we are. We also offer, we also have an offshore license, that this one is located with the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission. In the Latin America region, we also are regulated in Panama by the SMB, the Superintendencia del Mercado de Valores in Panama. I, as an individual, I am a regulated stockbroker. I have a stockbroker license that qualifies me to be able to do financial advisory to all of our clients in the Latin region as well. And also one of our most important licenses is that we have a partnership with Sterling Financial Brokers, which they have an authorization and regulation by the Central Bank of UAE, and the register is the number 4. So as you can see, Direct Trading Technologies is a worldwide company that has physical presence worldwide and also is regulated in all of the regions that has physical presence. So this will give you the maximum security for you guys to start creating an account and investment accounts with a company, and you will be secure and you will be safe that you are trading with a global regulated company. Also, as a company, as a brokerage firm, we have different type of accounts. The most used account is the MT4 for FX markets and CFDs. We offer that type of account with the MT4 platform. We also have a live exchange stocks, so you can actually create your portfolio of investment and you can buy physical stocks. So you can be investing into the long term. You can create your portfolio, and if you guys at any given moment you receive your dividends, the dividends will be paid out to you. So this is a traditional type of investment, and you can do that as well with our company. Also, we have the DTT Prime and the institutional accounts. That this type of account, it's going to be I'm going to provide the details almost at the end of this webinar. So before we continue, I will also like to show you guys our dedicated website for the UAE region. I'm going to put you guys the link into the chat so you can see it after we finish the course or at any given time. dttuae.com. In this specific webpage, you're going to see more dedicated information regarding our partnership with Sterling Financial Brokers. And also, as you can see at the bottom of the webpage, you will see our company profile. I'm going to share also this company profile with you guys into the chat group so you can see it. This is a PDF. It's explaining all the information about DTT with the regulations within any region that we have presence on. And also it's going to explain you all of the type of accounts, the information that I'm just providing you in this webpage. Also our partnership with Sterling Financial Brokers as well. So this information is free of access. I just provided you guys the link so you can check them out, and we can continue from now on. Now, one of the biggest benefits that we as a brokerage firm offer or provide to all of our clients is the educational section, the DTT Plus. I'm going to share you guys into the chat also the link so you can check the dttplus.com. If you guys, obviously you're not going to have an account, so you're going to click in here and create an account. You guys just have to fill up this basic form, your name, your email, and your phone number, and you create your password so you can have access into this educational website that we offer for free to all of the clients or all of the people that has a trading account with our company. As this moment, as you guys do not have a trading account with us yet, at the moment of your registration, you will be provided with 1 week free trial, so you can have access for 1 week to all of the information that all of our clients get 24/7 on a daily basis. So speaking of about financial markets, getting straight into the point a little bit, you guys will be able to see that we need information. We need to educate ourselves. This is the meaning of this specific website that is going to be provided for you at the moment that you have the trading account with us. So far at this moment, when you register, you're going to get your free trial so you can check it out. So what do we have to do first at the moment of investing into the financial markets? We have to get an education. So in this section, the education section that we provide, we're going to get at the first point that it will be the video courses. These video courses are short tutorials explaining the basic concepts into the financial markets. From the first video, what is Forex? Forex is one of the 4 markets that we offer to all of our clients. The currency exchange market, the exchange of one currency into the another one. So you will get the explanation what is the FX markets. That is the most liquid market into the world with an average trading volume of 5 trillion on a daily basis. So also you're going to see all of these videos. Don't worry, these videos are straight to the point. None of these videos is going to last more than 7 minutes. So this is going to be very interactive videos so you can get the basic concepts straight away at the moment that you start looking at all of them. So at the moment that you guys are advancing into the tutorial videos, the complexity level is going to be increasing a little bit, but it's going to be really easy for you guys. As you can see, the first video is what is FX, what is Forex, why to trade Forex, the currency and its prices, the price charts, what is the support, a resistance. These are basic concepts of the trading terminology that we will be reviewing during this course. And also you will be able to ask me any questions, because at the moment that you will become our clients, I'm also going to become your financial advisor as well. And I'm going to give you all of the tools so you can learn from the basic concepts into the advanced concepts, so you guys can be able to make some profits out of the financial markets with our company. As well, you are going to see video tutorials of the chart patterns, the time zones, the type of orders, the chart, what is a chart indicator, what is a fundamental analysis, what is also a technical analysis. There is two types of way that you can try to start making trading into the financial markets. The best traders do not trade either way. They combine the fundamental analysis with the technical analysis. And with this educational website, you're going to get all that information for free, just because you're a client of Direct Trading Technologies. And also one of the latest sections is going to be the trading psychology and the risk management. So all of these tutorial videos are available for you guys, because you have to give the first step, and the most important step about trading into the financial markets is to get your education, so you guys will be able to know, to get a knowledge on how to make money into the financial markets. We also have an ebook for the people who rather or would like to get an education via textbook or via ebook. We offer a beginner's course of financial markets trading. This is just a 45-page ebook. You're going to get all the information about the basic concepts. It's going to be a little bit more deep explanation from what you guys see in the videos. And you're going to get all of the basic concepts on how to learn and how to start placing your first trades into the financial markets. So all of this information is going to be provided for you just for free, just at the moment to create an account with your company. Even though just for you to be attending into this webinar today, you can register, and at the moment of registration, you guys are going to have a free trial of 1 week. So before we continue and get a little bit more deep side into the financial markets, into the live accounts, do you guys have any type of questions of what you have seen so far, so we can continue? If you have any questions, you just can type it out into the chat, and I will be more than happy to provide all of the answers for you guys. So if you guys do not have any questions, we can continue. Also in the educational side, this is a little bit more advanced, but don't worry about it. You guys will be able to get all of this information in a very short period of time, and also with the help that you guys are going to receive from the financial advisors from our company. Also in the trading strategies, this is a little bit more complex. I'm just going to show you the company itself, the educational side itself. It's going to show you strategies. It's going to tell you, it's going to teach you how to implement your strategies into the platforms. You can try to make profit using any given strategy that we have available online. As you can see, we have several, we have a very handful number of strategies that come for the short term, strategies that goes for the day trading, or strategies that goes for the long-term type of investment that they are called swing trade. A swing trade, which is my personal favorite type of trading, gives you strategies so you can place trades and you can leave those trades open days, weeks, and also months as well. Why not? So this type of strategy providers that we have here is going to give you the concepts, is going to teach you the basic concepts so you can start implementing them. And we have strategies for any type of investor that we have into the financial markets. Now, leading into this point, into the research and analysis. This is also another interesting platform that we provide to all of our clients. When you guys trade into the financial markets, one of the most important things about investment is knowledge. For you, one of the most important things alongside learning how to do some trading is to have all of the information on any given day. If you guys have information, you guys will be able to make some profit out of the financial markets, because this type of news This is the representation of what is happening into the financial markets. And with the results of all of these news, these results are going to affect the charts. And the time these results affect the charts, it's going to give you an opportunity to place trades and to try to make your investments. So if you guys research and analysis, you guys enter in this webpage, we have this thing updated every single day. All of the days, you're going to get a lot of information. You will be able to see a lot of information, but it's going to be a little bit difficult for you guys to keep up with the information of the global financial markets. So the good thing about this news section inside the research and analysis tab is that you're going to get the most important news, the news which results are going to have the most impact into the financial markets. So in this way, you don't have to spend time watching all of the news that are given every single day. With this area of news, you will be able to see, or you will be able to get the information of the most important news on the daily basis. So these ones will help you guys to make your decisions, so how to make investments into the financial markets with our company. The service is a completely free service, like I said, for all of the people that have a trading account within our company. Also, we have analysis. Like I said a few minutes ago, we have technical analysis and we have fundamental analysis. The fundamental analysis is just based on news. A fundamental analysis is a result of any macroeconomic indicator data, is results of the economy, either way of a company that they trade in any given stock exchange, or the results of the economy of the behavior or performance of the economy of any given country that you guys are trading the currency when we're speaking about the Forex markets. So you guys are going to have fundamental analysis provided on a daily basis by all of the financial advisors from DTT. And when you guys checking in this analysis webpage, you guys will be able to see results, fundamental results on different assets. We can see fundamental analysis on stocks of companies of the United States. And also you can see fundamental analysis of currency markets. You just click on it and this will give you the explanation of the actual fundamental analysis itself. And it's going to give you all of the tools that you will need to make your decision to start investing into the financial markets. Don't get a little bit scared about these charts, because I will be going into these specific charts in just a few minutes, and I will be providing you all of the basic concepts so you guys can be a little bit more aware on how to make money in trading. Also, like I said, the fundamental analysis is based entirely on news, and there is also the other type of analysis, which is called the technical analysis. The technical analysis is the statistical research of the charts. You have to check the chart patterns, the charts history, so you can actually try to predict the future movement of the actual assets. Either way, is a stock or is a commodity or is any given currency of the financial markets. So like I said, fundamental analysis is news, and the technical analysis is just the charts itself. So at this moment, when you guys get your information, when you guys start making or generate some knowledge into the financial markets, you guys will be able to check the analysis provided every single day by us, and you can match those analyses with your own personal analysis. And in this way, you will be able to have more information, more research, and this will help you a lot at the moment of placing trades and placing investments into the financial markets at any given moment. So as you can see, this DTT Plus educational webpage is one of our biggest benefits that we provide to all of our clients. With this portal, you guys will be able to educate yourself. You guys will be able to be updated into the news section, and you guys will be provided with strategies that will help you to start making your trades into the financial markets. This is one of the biggest advantages that we can offer as a brokerage firm. And this will be very resourceful and will be very helpful at the moment you start deciding that you guys want to start making investments within the financial markets. Now, closing this tab, do you guys have any type of question of what you have seen so far before moving on into what you guys actually registered to see So we're going to watch the charts of the gold and how is being affected the gold and why the gold has been falling down so much in the previous months. So if you guys don't have any questions regarding what you have seen, we can start going right away into the platform itself. Just let me change. Okay, so I would love you guys if you can text me right now just as a confirmation into the chat that you guys are seeing the MT4 platform. If you are seeing the chart that I'm seeing right now, do you guys are seeing it, or you guys are still looking at the DTT Plus webpage? You can just give me a one brief confirmation so we can proceed with this class of today. Don't be shy, guys. Don't worry. Nobody's going to be wrong at this moment. Are you guys are seeing the MT4 chart? Okay. Now, this is called the MT4, MetaTrader 4. This is the platform that is going to be used by you guys, and this is the platform that we're going to give you access to so you can start making your investments into the financial markets itself. This is a very straightforward platform. This is one of the easiest platforms to use. It's the most famous one for all of the brokerage companies worldwide, and this is the information, this is the platform that you're going to be using on your daily basis. You can have access to this one. The only thing that you guys need is internet access, because this platform is not going to demand you any type of specific technology devices. Any given laptop, and you can also have this platform into your phone. The only thing that you need to have access into the financial markets, it's just an internet connection. So this is the advantages of this platform as it is. Now, you guys can see this perfect. The first thing that you guys are going to see to the left is this list. This list is all of the assets that you guys will be able to trade or you place your investments into the financial markets. This is the market assets. This is the market cap that we provide for you guys, so you will be able to start placing your trades. We start first of all with the list of the FX markets, the currencies markets, the list of all of the currencies available to be trading online. We also have stocks. We also have commodities like the gold. This is a gold webinar, so we're going to be speaking specifically on gold, so you guys can see the performance of the gold itself. Also, you guys are going to have access to stocks, and you're also going to have access to cryptocurrencies. You guys are going to have access to this type of assets as a CFD. A CFD is a contract for difference. So you are not actually buying the crypto, or you're not actually buying the stock itself. You guys are placing a trade. You guys are making profit for the contract of the price of the asset itself. So in this one, if you guys would like to make a trading into cryptocurrencies market using the CFD, you guys it won't be necessary for you guys to have an electronic wallet, because you're not actually acquiring the crypto. You guys are just trading the CFD, and this one will be easier for you guys at the moment of placing your trades. Okay, now, like I said, this is a gold webinar. We're going to check all the information of what is happening with the gold market itself at this moment. So the way of how you can represent the financial markets, it can be in several time frames. All of these candlesticks, each one of these are called candlesticks. So candlesticks is a representation of the graphics, so you can see all the information of the behavior of the actual gold in any given period of time. At this moment, we are allocated in a 4-hour time frame, which means each one of these candles at this moment represents the behavior of the gold for a period of 4 hours. But this can be changed within the platform. We can check all of this information by minute. This is the behavior of the gold, and each candlestick represents the movement of the gold for every minute. We can change it into also 5 minutes, also 15 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, weekly time frame, and monthly time frame. So as you can see, all of the time frames show you guys a different type of chart, because the different type of chart doesn't necessarily mean that this is a different assets. This is all of the behavior of the gold but only that is shown in different time frames. The different time frames are able to set the different type of strategies that you guys will be using at the moment that you start placing your trades. We have a short period of time frame, which is in 1 minute, 5 minutes and 15 minutes. This short period of trading, or this short period of strategy, it's called scalping. Scalping is the short-term trading. Personally, I'm not a huge fan of it because it makes you it forces you to spend a lot of time watching the screen, watching the behavior, because you're making plays with short period of times. So this one is a little bit stressful. And if you guys do not have all of the time to be just watching charts in your computer, I do not recommend this type of trading. We also have the half an hour and 1 hour, which is used for the people who make day trading. The day trading, as the name says itself, you guys place a trade for today, but you close that same trade the same day. So the transactions are done within the day, within the trading hours. And my type of investment, my type of trading, the one that it's more profitable to me and that suits my lifestyle, because we have a lot of work to do. So I don't have that much time to be spending watching charts all day long. So I usually do the long-term trading, which is called swing trading. And this one is the less stressful. You place your trades, you let them run for 1 day, 1 week, or either 1 month. And in this type of investment, you just have to do the follow-ups to see the performance into the long term. And this one will represent you more profit into the long term as well. So now that that has been spoken, we just have to check the performance of the gold itself. If we change it into the daily time frame, you can see that last year, due to the pandemic situation, the crisis that we were able to saw into the financial markets created a lot of volatility. And the gold is a commodity, it's a precious metal. And as you guys see in the history of the humankind, the gold is the oldest way, or the oldest currency that was used to do trade at any given time of history. So the ancient Egypt, all such old stages of earth, of humankind, you guys saw that when somebody have a lot of gold, that was a wealthy person. That changed at the moment that we started to use paper coin. That happened not that much time ago, so less than 100 years ago, to be a figurative way of speaking. So gold was the most common way of payment at the moment to do trading, to do trade. So when we actually saw this extremely volatility into the financial markets due to the pandemic situation, the collapse of the stocks, the collapse of the economy, the collapse of the different sectors like tourism, that the tourism sector has collapsed for the last year, a lot of investments, the big investments, corporations like central banks, investment banks, they take their money out of each asset. It's either way stocks, either way other currencies, and they put all of that money into refugee. They start stacking up on gold, because the gold is not going to be affected by any viruses. The gold is not going to be affected by any type of unemployment rate or any bad performance of the economy itself. So investors started to stacking up on gold, and that's why the price of gold started to skyrocket last year. As you can see, the price of 1 ounce of gold went into the almost $2,100. This was an all-time high, and this was represented as a result of what happened into the economy due to the pandemic situation. Now, every time the market goes in a strong way, either uptrend or downtrend, this means that the market has to do a correction itself. So because of the market volatility that we experience, the price of the gold went up. But at the same time, when the economy started to recover itself, the people started to sell the gold because it was on an all-time high. And this amount of the basic concepts of economy, the law of supply and demand, a lot of people started to sell gold because they were making a lot of profit out of it. And there were more sellers than buyers. And that's why the price of the gold started to fall down. And they have going down about 20% the past few months. And as guys, you can see, At December 31st, 1 ounce of gold was worth $1,956.17. And if you guys place a trade going short about selling gold, selling the CFD of gold, this would mean that you guys will have made a lot of profit just in a couple of months. Some people made that much amount of money in 3 months that most people do on a yearly salary wages. Now, how we can predict the movements of the financial markets? It's really easy, guys. We just have to start to check the basic concepts out of it. That's why I invite you guys to register into the DTT Plus webpage, the link that I just put for you guys into the chat, so you guys can register and you guys can have your free trial of 1 week, so you can take advantage of this educational portal that we offer to all of our clients and all of our customers. Now, a trend line is a line that shows you the direction of the financial market, any given asset. In this case, we're speaking about the gold. A trend line is going to show you the direction into the long term. As we can easily see, the trend is going down. There is a downtrend. So the price of the gold is decreasing heavily for the past few months. We have 3 months of consecutive downtrend for this specific asset. Now, other thing that you guys have to take into consideration is the terminology of the support and the resistance. The support and the resistance, they are key levels of the price of the market within a specific time frame, which means we just have to draw a line around this area right here, and this will be our support. Our support, you can easily see the support as your floor because it's the lowest point of the price of any assets at any given time. So in the past 3 months, the support is located at $1,677, which means this has been the lowest point or the lowest price of the gold in the past few months. And also, now we're going to check our resistance. We're not going to put the highest level in the time frames of December because this is a long time ago. And as we can see, the long-term trend is for the market of the price of the gold to continue to go down. So into the following days, in this specific area that we are allocated right now within the month of March, that is going to be ending this week, we can see that the lowest point is 1,600, almost 1,700, and the highest point is 1,755, which means that the price of the gold this month has been bouncing between this channel, has been bouncing between this support and this resistance. When the market goes down, the market usually does a correction, and the correction went from 1,600 to this $1,755. So this we're just witnessing a correction of the markets, and as you can see, the market is behaving on a sideways. There's a consolidation of the markets. However, the trend is for the markets to continue to go down. So at this moment, the wisest thing to do is to keep following the price of the gold during this channel. So it bounced back in the support and it bounced back again into the resistance. So what is the market doing right now? It's going to bounce back, is supposed to bounce back again into the downtrend. And we can see that key levels will be again the support level of $1,677. So this is how we can try to speculate. This is how we can try to predict the markets regarding its history of the previous days. In this case, of the behavior of the gold within the month of March, we can see that the trend is also going into the downtrend. And as you can see from the following few months, the price of the gold has fallen out something around 20%. So now, sometimes it's a little bit difficult to start placing trades into the financial markets, or it's a little bit difficult to understand or try to predict what the markets are going to do. So I'm going to show you guys another indicator inside a technical analysis, because this is the technical analysis, the study of the charts itself. I'm going to show you guys an indicator that is developed by Direct Trading Technologies. It has a pattern of our company. And this indicator is going to be absolutely for free for also all of the people who has a trading account within our company. Just like I told you guys, the markets looks to be going into the downtrend itself. We just have to keep doing this. Now I present you guys the trend catcher. The trend catcher is a technical indicator, like I said, developed by Direct Trading Technologies. This indicator is going to be given for free for all of the people who has or who opens a trading account with our company. This indicator is going to help you guys to make a technical analysis of the financial markets. It can be used at any given asset that we offer in our platform, and this will help you guys to make your decisions on when to buy, when to sell, and when do you have to put your limits where either you don't want to lose anymore or the limits of your aiming profits, because it's very easy to place a trade into the financial markets. Within the platform, you just have to go to the Tools tab and you just have to click when it says New Order. And at this moment, you just have to make a decision. Either you're going to sell or you're going to buy. Like I said a few minutes ago, the current long-term trend of the actual gold, it's going to be the downtrend. So at this moment, it will be more wise to start selling into the financial markets. And also the trend catcher, the indicator that is developed by our company, is going to give you guys the option that is going to give you the recommendation that you guys should be sell at this point. So you just have to click sell, and that's it. You guys have placed a trade into the financial markets, and this is a live trade on a demo account. So it's very easy to get access into the financial markets. Also, this signal was given almost 10 days ago, almost 2 weeks ago, I'm sorry. This signal is still a little bit late. Nevertheless, the long-term trend of the actual gold should be, they should be keeping bouncing back into the support and resistance. So we can see that our maximum level of profit or maximum level of the downtrend should be around $1,677. So we still have some space to be able to play some trades. We're a little bit late, but don't worry. This is part of the trading itself. Also, you guys can select your own settlements. And this is very important. At this moment, we placed the trade at $1,712. The recommendation of the trend catcher was to place your trade and to put your take profit and your stop loss. What is a stop loss? A stop loss is an area, a value area, where you guys are going to tell the platform, okay, I don't want to lose more money from this point. And you can set these parameters in the actual trace itself. You just have to do some double click. You have to put your stop loss. The recommended stop loss is 1736. And let's say that the take profit is going to be 1700 flat. Okay, so at this moment, the trend catcher, when they gave you the signal, they gave you the signal around March 18, and it told you that the area, well, this is a second one. They told you that the area of loss should be around here, but also the profit area should be around 1722. Or the most aggressive one was 1,722 with 41 cents. At this moment, we are located at 1,712. So the trend catcher already gave you the profit that it was giving you in the signal. So we can still place a trade in here, but the recommendation that the trend catcher is already fulfilled. So I actually gave you the right choice. And at this moment, if we have placed the trade last week, we will have made a good amount of profit. So this is the job of the trend catcher. It's going to give you guys some help at the moment of you decide placing trades into the financial markets. Now, for you, it might be a lot of information to take on. I know it. I felt the same way the first time that I saw this some years ago. But one of the options that we as a company, we provide to our customers when they open an account with us is that we provide you the tools so you guys can learn how to place trades from scratch by taking all of the recommendations of an educational portal as the DTT Plus. Is going to give you the basic concepts, is going to give you videos, tutorial videos. We can give you books, we can give you strategies that they're all 100% free and a 24/7 access availability for you guys. And at the same moment that you guys are educating yourself to be ready to start placing your first trade into the financial markets, we have the other type of accounts for you guys, so you guys can see, or you guys can diversify your investments at the moment that you get your education on lifetime. Now let's go back again to the web page into our account types, because as I mentioned, we offer the MT4, the Forex and CFDs. We offer real exchange traded stocks, so you guys can create your own portfolio of traditional investment. You can start creating your portfolio of all of the stocks that are available in the New York Stock Exchange as well as the NASDAQ. And we also offer the DTT Prime Assisted accounts. This type of account is for the people who want to trade, but they don't feel ready, 100% ready to take control of their own account. So we offer this type of services for the people to start investment without doing the trade by themselves. This is called the Smart Social Trading Platform. This is a platform that is basically copy trading. We have this, as we have several strategy providers, and the basic concept is the following. We have this is the performance of strategy providers. You will be able to see the stats, all of the trades that any guy that is in here is offering. You will have access to all of the information that they do, because the more information that you guys have, the most secure you're gonna feel at the moment that you connect your account with somebody. We have something around 773 people that are offering the services of signal providers, so you can connect your accounts to them. And at this moment, I'm going to show you the ranks of the top performers. In this case, we have 300 top performers. So let's see the homepage of the Smart Social Trading Platform. Is the same that you guys saw in a bit. So in this way, you will be able to create an account so you can put your money into work without you actually have to do the trading by yourselves. You can put your money into work. In the meantime, you are still getting your education for you to be ready to start placing your trades by yourself. Or at the moment, if you want, you can make an investment in these strategy providers, and then you can offer you can open another account and you can diversify. You can have some of your funds allocated in this X section, so you can follow strategy providers, and you can allocate the other side of your money, so you can take control on your own account and you can start making trading by yourself, start making investment by yourselves. And the recommendation on this one is also to diversify. There is a little expression that says you should not put all of your eggs in just one basket. So in this case, you should not put your money in just one strategy provider. The idea in here is so you can create your account or strategy providers account, so you can follow people and you can diversify yourself. So you can allocate and you can start following between 3 or 4 people, so you can actually have a different portfolio, and you won't have to rely on just the performance of one guy, but you can have a different type of management at the moment of your investments. So at this moment, I don't want to take more of your time. I know that you guys it's a little bit late. It's something about 9:45 in your local time zone. This is the introduction into the financial markets. As you guys can see, we're a global brokerage online trading firm. We have a lot of regulations. We are being regulated by the most important regulatory entity in the world into the online trading section, which is the FCA, Financial Conduct Authority of London. We also have a partnership with Sterling Brokers, which they are regulated by the UAE Central Bank. And this is going to give you the maximum security and the maximum confidence that you guys are opening an investment account with a completely professional and regulated broker. You guys are going to, if you guys create an account with us, you're also going to have access to me as your financial advisor. You guys will be able to reach out to me if you become our clients, and I will be able to to reply all of your questions regarding the markets. I'm going to also give you all of the tools so you guys can start learning how to do trade by yourselves, and also I can help you guys how you can diversify your investments and start following this type of strategy providers. This is also the benefits that we offer. We're also going to give you access into the DTT Plus. This is our educational and research portal when you guys will be giving all of the tools so you can get the best step-by-step from scratch on how to learn how to do some trading and your investments into the financial markets. And also you guys are going to get access into the Trend Catcher, which is the signal provider developed by our company, and you will receive all of this information, all of these benefits. You're also going to get access to live educational webinars. And the only thing that you guys have to do is to have your investment account or trading account with our company, because all of these services will be provided for free just for you guys to open an account with us. This is one of the biggest benefits that we offer as a brokerage firm. And our job is to teach you guys, to give you all of the tools so you can start making money into the financial markets, because if you are a happy client and you are making your profits, we're going to be fulfilled as a company. So with nothing else to say, if you guys have any question at this moment, I would love to reply your answers in the next following minutes. You can type me your questions into the chat in here if you guys have any questions. If not, thank you very much for participating into this webinar. You guys will be able to reach me out. I really hope that you guys enjoy this course, and we will see each other into the next time. Thank you very much for your time and your participation. Have a good evening, my friends. Bye-bye.